Hello friends, in this video we will learn the uses of Fieldbox element and legend element in HTML form. Okay, suppose you want to add another text box here, just make the form a little bit larger. Okay, so first we can use line breaker, then create another text box and label that text box as name. Okay, so we must use input element tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Okay, this is our font. Okay, so first we have to add field box element and there is an ending tag. Okay, let's see what happened to the font. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see we got a box around the entire form. Okay, then comes to legend element. Okay, this element can use directly after the opening field set tag. Okay, and contain a caption which identify the purpose of that form. Okay, suppose we want to add details caption to this form. Okay, so we can use legend element. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see details as caption of this form. Okay, see you guys in next video.